Cleanse naturally with DrNatura and be beautiful in the inside and happy on the outside. Internal cleansing is often a catalyst for healthier, more inspired living. Cleansing is a way to gently kickstart your body's natural detoxification abilities, helping keep the colon and the liver healthy. Since 1998, DrNatura has been one of the most popular cleanses, with over 2 million products sold and powered by more than 40 natural herbs. The colon, also known as the large intestine, is an important part of the body. It is vital to proper digestion and especially to moving waste out in a timely manner so that it does not compromise your health. What you may not be aware of is that your colon can become impacted. When this happens, you can experience any number of issues, from gas and occasional constipation to small, infrequent, and incomplete bowel movements. Over time, this accumulated matter can lead to even more serious health issues. But how does the colon get to the point that it needs cleansing? The unfortunate reality is that the modern diet is not very colon-friendly. If you're like most people, purchasing and eating food often happens without thought and about where the food comes from, how it's made, what might be in it, and how it might affect your health. For example, as many as 95% of us fall short of the recommended daily intake of fiber, a key nutrient that keeps a colon functioning optimally. Dietary fiber plays an important role in keeping the colon clean and moving waste through in a timely manner. A fiber-based colon cleanse such as DrNatura is an effective way to help encourage the body's natural cleansing process. If you are new to cleansing, then the DrNatura Colonix Cleansing Kit is the best place to start. The kit includes 3 products: Colonix Intestinal Cleanser, a daily fiber supplement, Perenil for liver support, and Clarity, a gentle laxative herbal tea. Try DrNatura for yourself and gain the benefits of a fiber-based colon cleanse.